Since the launch of Optimal Revenue Management System in March 2021, the GRA has noticed some common mistakes made by taxpayers while utilizing the service. On this week's Talk Tax, we'll delve into some of these common mistakes and explain how you can avoid them. Welcome, I am Nikisha Castello and let's talk tax. Meet Mark.
Meet Ashley.
Mark is at the GRA to submit a tax return,
While Ashley is using the new Optimal software to submit her return electronically.
Optimal Revenue Management System. Let's get ready for 2021.
Welcome back. Businesses, like individual taxpayers, made the same mistakes as it relates to registration.
They use their name. Say, for example, the company is Jim Jones Trading. They put Jim Jones as the first name and Trading as the last name when it should have been a representative of the company. Say, for example, Tom Jones. So that's one of the common mistakes that businesses make. Also, they would just submit the registration document. For companies, we expect them to submit the registration document along with the page that speaks to who are the directors and the company secretary, because thereafter we want them to submit an authorization letter. That authorization letter should state the name of the person who will be transacting the business on behalf of that company, and the authorization will be signed by one of the directors or the company secretary who is on that article of association with the names of the directors and company secretary. So that's one thing that the businesses make mistakes with. Some companies make the mistake of leaving out the 0 from the TIN, so the digit is just 8 digits instead of 9. So that's another mistake that they make. Some companies add in other information as well, probably the TIN and part of their company's name. So that there is another common mistake.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
In light of this, the GRA has inserted a statement to assist taxpayers signing up for e-services.
What the GRA have done is to assist taxpayers in knowing what to use as their username by putting a little bit of information saying that your TIN should be used as your username. So this will assist taxpayers in understanding what username they have to use to sign up for the service.
Taxpayers with a tax agent must ensure that their tax preparer or tax accountant is registered as a tax practice professional before requesting this feature. If he or she is a compliant registrant, then the taxpayer must fill and sign the e-services new or update sign-up form, which can be downloaded from GRA's website. That's all we have for this week's Talk Tax. For more information, visit our website www.gra.gov.gy and our social media channels. I'm Nikisha Castello. See you next time.